Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the browser you will use because extensions and flags differ. Open the YouTube video and sign in or use incognito to isolate account settings. This helps you test without cookies. Right-click the player to reveal YouTube's context menu so you know what's native versus added. Once done, open the browser menu and go to Extensions or Add-ons. You will disable or adjust them next to remove extra controls added by plugins or user scripts. You now disable extensions one at a time to identify the culprit. Refresh after each change so the player resets. If you use user scripts, open TamperMonkey or Stylus and temporarily turn off scripts that touch YouTube. Make sure to check accessibility extensions that inject controls. If unsure, press F12 to open DevTools and inspect the player area to spot overlays. Note class or ID names so you can target them later. Once identified, you will remove or override those styles. You finish by applying the fix. Either disable the extension permanently or add CSS that hides the overlay using the class or ID you found. Test changes live in DevTools before making them permanent. To persist CSS, use an extension like Stylus or your browser's user content stylesheet. Make sure to scope it to YouTube. If the problem continues, clear cache, try a fresh browser profile, or reinstall the browser. One troubleshooting tip: check another browser to confirm whether the issue is extension or site-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.